Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today I would like to teach you some words which sound mostly similar but they have different meanings and different pronunciations as well. So air, which means batash, ear, 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 kan, air, batash, ear, air, ear, air, batash, ear, kan. Hair, 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 chul, hear, hear, listen to, shona. And fair, fair, any festival or just কোনো মেলা অথবা ঠিক সঠিক ভালো এরকম বোঝাতে আমরা ফেয়ার বলি। আরেকটা হলো ফিয়ার, 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 ভয়, ভয়, a name of an emotion, ভয়। their location, their possessive form of their, they, and they are, their contraction of they are. Trios, most confusing, one of the most confusing trios. The last one is access, permission, অনুমতি, excess, অতিরিক্ত, বেশি। Thank you.